In this section, we're going to talk about medicine and the most common medical problems that you might encounter. There are thousands of medical problems that a patient may suffer from. While we're not going to cover all of them, we will cover the ones that you need to know about and that you will most commonly see if you're out there in the backcountry. Most importantly, we're going to talk about chest pain, how to differentiate chest pain from a traumatic injury versus a medical problem, specifically heart attacks. We'll talk about shortness of breath, specifically asthma, and any underlying breathing difficulty. We'll also talk about what's called the acute abdomen. This includes things like diarrhea, constipation, nausea, and vomiting. Very common problems in a backcountry setting. Also under medicine, there are some other topics that we'll touch on, things like seizures. We'll get into other medical topics later on in the course.